Is it time to buy or sell CoreWeave Class A common stock? In this video, we will explore CoreWeave Class A common stock in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the first day of May in 2025, our system has categorized CoreWeave Class A common stock as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.19. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has surpassed our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 204.72% since we initially recommended purchasing CoreWeave Class A common stock 25 days ago. This equates to an average return of 8.19% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is situated within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that an additional increase within this trend is expected. Our latest daily update for CoreWeave Class A common stock includes the headline, Significant movements in CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock price on Thursday, fluctuating by 18.55% between high and low. On the last trading day, Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, the price of CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock decreased by 17.20%, dropping from $163.10 to $135.05. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 18.55%, reaching a low of $132.82 and a high of $157.46. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 25.76% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive sign as volume typically follows the stock price. On that day, trading volume fell by 4 million shares, and in total, 50 million shares were exchanged for approximately $6.77 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $166.60, while the lowest was $33.52. Currently, the price sits at 18.94%, or $31.55, below the 52-week high of $166.60, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. CoreWeave, trading under the ticker CRWV, has experienced significant volatility recently. As of the 5th of June, shares dropped by approximately 16.2%, reflecting broader market trends as the S&P 500 and NASDAQ saw declines. This sharp decline follows an impressive 170% surge in May, spurred by a strategic 15-year lease agreement with Applied Digital, a move that initially boosted investor sentiment. Despite the recent downturn, CoreWeave's collaboration with NVIDIA and IBM has led to groundbreaking performance metrics in machine learning benchmarks, highlighting its strong position in the AI infrastructure landscape. This technological advantage is crucial as the AI sector continues to evolve, transitioning from an experimental phase to a business necessity. In the short term, the stock may face increased volatility as investors respond to market conditions and competitive pressures. However, in the long term, the foundational partnerships and innovative capabilities could offer substantial growth potential, positioning CoreWeave as a significant player in the expanding AI space. Investors will need to carefully consider these factors as they evaluate whether to engage with CoreWeave amid its current fluctuations. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a market perform rating with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a neutral rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned CRWV a neutral rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned CRWV a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned CRWV an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned CoreWeave Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts again give the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for CoreWeave Class A common stock. The CRWV Inc. Class A common stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $128.83 and $74.69. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, June 4, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 17% and 20 cents. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk since volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, a buy signal from 26 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 17 days ago. For more signals, be sure support, risk, and stop loss for CoreWeave Class A common stock. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $123.97 and $107.39. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock finds support just below today's level at $123.97. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $107.39 and $105.55. This stock may experience significant fluctuations during the day, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $24.64 between its high and low, which is an 18.55% change. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 14.03%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. Nevertheless, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is projected to be released on the 13th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at negative 23 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CoreWeave Class A common stock is at $150.48. If you do not own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a key point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, CoreWeave Class A common stock encounters its first support level at $123.97. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CoreWeave Class A common stock from multiple analyst sources indicates a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by McB Brannan, who bought and sold 2,058,060 shares or options in the company. Based on the 23 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 49.122. Overall, insiders purchased 2,287,739 shares and sold 649,361 shares in the last 23 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $127.49, reflecting a decrease of 5.6%. This stock experiences very high daily movements, which indicates a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is CoreWeave Class A common stock a good buy? CRWV Inc. Class A common stock presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these indicators sufficient for it to be a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning investors may want to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of June, we anticipate that CoreWeave Class A common stock will open higher by $6.73, beginning trading at $141.78. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Please remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.